In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a minimalist Shopify website. A minimalist design helps your products feel clear and focused. It can also make your store look modern and trustworthy. Today, we will start right from your Shopify admin, and you will use the theme tools to move toward a clean, simple layout. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. When you open your dashboard, look for the main navigation area on the left side of the screen. This is where you will find the settings that control your storefront. If you are not already signed in, make sure you are connected to your Shopify account so you can access the online store section. Take a moment to locate the navigation menu before you click anything, because the next step depends on being in the right area of your admin. Next, click Online Store. After you click this, Shopify will show you options related to how your storefront looks and behaves. This part of the dashboard is where you manage themes, pages, and key storefront features. You are essentially telling Shopify, "This is where I want to adjust my customer-facing design." Once you are on the online store screen, you should see a section for themes, which is the area we will focus on in a moment. Now, you will want to click Discover Theme Type, and this is where you indicate that you want a minimalist style. In the interface, you may see an area that prompts you to explore theme categories. When you select theme type, choose the minimalist direction, so the theme recommendations align with what you are trying to build. This step matters because it narrows down your theme options from a wide range into ones that are already designed to feel clean and uncluttered. As you choose minimalist, pay attention to the theme previews and descriptions. Even if you are not installing anything yet, the preview gives you a sense of spacing, typography, and how the theme emphasizes products. A minimalist Shopify theme usually uses more white space, simple navigation, and cleaner layouts. It may also reduce visual noise, such as extra graphics or complicated sections. Spend a few seconds scanning the preview images and basic layout, because this helps you select a theme that naturally supports your brand and product type. After you have chosen the minimalist theme type, you are ready to continue exploring your options. At this point, you should see themes suggested that match the minimalist style you selected. This is a good moment to think about your store's goals. If your products are the main focus, minimalist themes often highlight product images and keep the interface simple. If your brand relies on clean branding and clear messaging, these themes can help your text and visuals stand out without distractions. Now move forward with the next choice within the minimalist results. Since your instructions only specify reaching the choose point, your goal here is to select a theme from the minimalist options that fit the direction you want. In practice, you would look at the theme you want to work with and proceed to choose it so you can review and set it up for your store. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know. Once you choose a minimalist theme that matches your vision, you will be much closer to a clean, focused Shopify website that feels simple to browse and easy to trust.